Caught on surveillance, a hamburger heist that required some heavy lifting. The iconic statue at Bob's Big Boy in Norco stolen while cameras were rolling. And it's not the first time.
This is one of those great traditions of our brand. Everybody seems to want to pull this prank of stealing our statue.
This time, there's a twist.
These are trying times for everybody, so we figured why not have a little fun, provide maybe a little bit of a distraction.
See, it wasn't a crime. Turns out Big Boy is making his big commercial debut for DECKED.com, an in-vehicle storage company. Its products are able to carry up to 2,000 pounds. So, who better than Big Boy himself?
From what we know, it was a pretty big production, and he was treated like a star. So he's looking good. He looks like he's living his best life out there.
That's a lot of glory.
Filmed outside San Diego, it was all for a good cause amid this coronavirus pandemic. As restitution and for using Big Boy in their shoot, DECKED is donating so Bob's can help serve frontline workers. It's a win-win, with Big Boy getting his 15 minutes of fame and our healthcare heroes getting a free meal.
We thank you for all your work that you're doing out there on the front line. Keep it up. Thank you so much.
As for Big Boy, he'll be back home by this weekend. Mark Cutter-Robles, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.
Okay, do you remember this from yesterday? We